Hey big man, I got a question. My mom is coming around tomorrow and my feet have this nasty, old man fungus on them. The fungus has plagued me since I was a child and only my mother's mouth could cure it.
Your mother's mouth?
Yes, my mother's mouth. I was hoping I could have you apply this soft, supple lipstick.
I haven't worn any lipstick since my uncle had his way with me. Perhaps now is as good a time as any to get back into this sort of thing. I see only one flaw in your plan.
The only flaw is that your gums and teeth are coated in this fungus.
If your mother is the best at this, why can't she lick your feet tomorrow? I have a dentist appointment later and I'm not sure they'll appreciate all of this giggy good boy laughter, Nichols.
My mother lost her mouth to cancer after she confused asbestos for cotton candy. She will never be able to lick my feet again. Also, she cannot talk or eat and probably won't last to see my baby being born.
When do you expect your child?
I have no child. I said that to prove a point, you fool. My child was a metaphor for the time I won't be able to spend with my mother's mouth around my feet. Oh, such a lonely Christmas we will have. Such a cool, dry, fungus-filled Jesus Christ birthday holiday. But such is life.
I have business at Buckingham Palace. My dentist is there and I will not have him waiting. Goodbye now.